when my daughter was struggling, it became Meta's bottom line.
They did this knowing they were harming kids, all by design, in pursuit of another dollar.
Meta knows what it is doing is bad for kids, period. And that's what we're going to find out in this court case.
These platforms are not neutral. They are engineered environments, and children are paying the price.
Meta accused of intentionally designing its platforms, Facebook and Instagram, to keep kids hooked and hiding the mental health risks. And today, the landmark case got underway at the federal courthouse in Oakland. Good evening, I'm Anna Dates.
And I'm Dan Ashley. Thanks for joining us. This trial involves California and 28 other states and could have major financial and operational implications for that social media giant.
ABC 7 Eyewitness News reporter Tara Campbell was in court for today's opening statements and joins us live with the latest. Tara.
Yeah, Alma, today marking the first day in this blockbuster trial, expected to last up to 6 weeks here in Oakland at U.S. federal court. Right behind me today, both sides laying out their arguments, the courtroom packed and the stakes high.
I'm here today because my daughter should still be alive.
A plea from parents outside the U.S. District Court in Oakland Tuesday as a landmark trial between 29 states and social media giant Meta gets underway, led by attorneys general of 4 states, including California, and seeking as much as $1.4 trillion in financial penalties and restitution.
When Emmy died, I knew immediately that this was not just kids being mean. It wasn't a mystery. It was a design flaw, a system built to maximize engagement, even when that engagement was cruelty, humiliation, and harm.
Inside the court, prosecutors set up their case with opening statements, claiming Meta intentionally designed Facebook and Instagram to addict children and teens, telling the 8-person jury the case can be described in 4 words: hook, hold, harvest, and hide, arguing Meta knew that its platforms were dangerous but lied to the public to protect its profits. Also alleging the company collected data on kids under the age of 13, violating the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act.
We have proof that Meta knows that Instagram is harmful to a significant percentage of teenagers, especially teen girls. Meta knows that the like button leads teens to compulsively engage with the platform. Meta knew all of that and more, and decided to do more of it, to dig in deeper, to double down.
Prosecutors pointing to internal documents obtained from Meta, studies, emails, and chats, including one employee calling Instagram, quote, a drug, and a study saying, quote, the young ones are the best ones. Meta's attorneys asking the jury to keep an open mind and to hear all the evidence, arguing the states failed to prove actual harm to young people, saying the allegations are unsubstantiated and that the company didn't mislead the public. The defense centering much of its opening statement on the protections Meta has in place for young users. Now, the jury did also hear from the prosecution's first witness today, a former Meta employee who described a culture of don't ask, don't tell. Now, we are expecting to hear from a number of whistleblowers throughout this trial. We're also expecting to see Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg take the stand. Dan and Alma.
Will be interesting, Tara. Thank you very much.